Welcome to Hyper. We're an avatar social network that makes it easy to live stream, create content, and more. You can download Hyper online in the App Store today. This is a quick getting started guide that shows you a few of the things we can do. Hyper uses your phone's camera to control your avatar's face and hands. Right now, face tracking only works on iOS devices with a true depth camera, but we're working on bringing support to more devices soon. Hand tracking is available in limited parts of the app as a beta technology. We'll continue to improve this over time, so please keep an eye out for that. To enable hand tracking, go into Toolbox and click Hand Tracking. Please note you'll have to position your phone a little bit away for the best results. It's so easy to build a character with Hyper. To start, click the avatar button on the home screen. You can customize wardrobe, facial features, and backgrounds easily within the app. We roll out new items monthly, so please go to our Twitter or Discord to make specific requests. If you have a 3D model, you can import it as a VRM file. We currently have a live streaming function within our app. You can even link it to Twitch, YouTube, or anywhere else with a stream key. But for our power users, we also have OBS Integration. The OBS button hides all of our UI and sets a chroma key background for you to easily import into any software. To get out of OBS mode, shake the device. You can even use it with Zoom or Discord. Please check out our guide linked below for more detailed step-by-step instructions. We're working on building a recording studio. For now, you can go to Live, click OBS Mode, which will hide the UI and screen capture on your device to create content with the app. We're quickly building other features for the app, and we're super excited if you want to be a part of it. Please DM us on Twitter, join the Discord, or contact us through email if you have any suggestions or requests. We're looking for all types of talent. If you love avatars, we'd love to hear from you. Welcome to the Hyperverse. We're so happy to have you here.